made this carpeted table. It's like a workspace so I can do my art on. I actually got my monitor on here so you can see just how I record. So I got my monitor and I made this nice little work table, and here goes a tutorial on how I did it. Okay, a little backstory on why I made this. I love doing art. I needed a space to do my art on, cutting stuff, cameo machines, printing, using my cutting board, painting. This is a workspace. So I was looking on the internet and I couldn't find no videos on how to create this. I found one video and it was from 2 years ago, and it was a guy named Mike B, and he got like about 300 views. So I'm like, no matter what, upload a video showing people how to do something, and you never know who it can help. A video from 2 years ago that only got 200 views helped me and showed me how to make this, and I'm gonna show you how I made it. Let's get it. So today I just picked up or found this old sliding door at a secondhand store. First thing I want to do is take these things off. Remove the wheels off the bottom of the door. Here, I'm just doing some old-fashioned labor, cutting the frame and the legs for the table. I'm using a $10 miter box. I will put the link in the description. If I had the money, I would use an electric meter saw, which costs as low as $100. Here I am using a power drill to screw the frame together and the legs.
You know your camera wasn't on?
You said it wasn't on?
No.
That's cool.
I started.
Now the frame is together, I'm going to add a couple of more screws.
Can I see
Huh? Why? I just like shows like 90 Day Fiancé, Married at First Sight,
Oh, I love that show.
and Married to Millions.
Oh yeah, I don't watch that one. That one I don't watch.
It's kind of high, but it's perfect. Thank you.
My pleasure.
My little helper. Oh.
I did something. Yay.
You're not in the way. No.
That's how you feel.
Who told you that?
You.
Who told you was in the way?
My feelings hurt.
After screwing the top on, and I'm going to measure for the tabletop. Remember, I will give you all the material I use and the prices of all these items below in the description. After measuring the carpet, here we have some indoor-outdoor carpet adhesive I found for $5. Next, I'm going to lay the adhesive all over the tabletop, evenly all over the tabletop.
Want me to help you?
Huh?
Want me to help you?
Say one of us might get lucky.
One of us.
Last, make sure you lay the carpet out smooth and put some weight on it while it dries.
Nice and flat.
I got the tape on top.
I need to smell on everything.
I be going to do it. I can always say we still got some good shit.
Cause like when I be going, I don't see anything.
I'll show you where it's at. It's called Restore Restoration. We can this tell I have for the rest of the night and he's straight.
Ooh, you okay?
This right here is called The Power of Growth. A book by Damon John, The Power of Growth.